So, you've started an online business. That's awesome. You have a great idea, a product, a service that people will love. You've built the website, you've set up your social media, you're ready to make some serious money. But then, reality hits. It hits hard. You quickly realize running a business isn't just the fun stuff. Answering a million emails, coming up with new Instagram posts every day, managing customer questions at all hours, figuring out your marketing, staring at spreadsheets until your eyes hurt. It's a grind. A lot of people burn out right here. The dream is to scale your business. From a few $100s a month to a few thousand to tens of thousands. But scaling is tough. Every new customer means more work. More orders mean more logistics. More followers mean more comments and DMs. It feels like a hamster wheel, running fast to stay in place. You start thinking you need to hire a social media manager, a customer service rep, a marketing expert. That costs a lot. Money you probably don't have when you're starting out. It's a classic roadblock. This is where most people get stuck. They hit a ceiling. Income is limited by the hours you can personally work. There are only 24 hours. You need to sleep. You need to eat. Maybe you want a life outside your business. Let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. I know, it sounds like something from a movie. You're probably thinking about robots and supercomputers. For an online entrepreneur in 2025, AI is much more practical. It's not about taking over the world, it's about taking over your to-do list. Think of AI tools as incredibly smart assistants you can hire for just a few dollars a month. These assistants can handle the boring, time-consuming tasks that you hate doing. This frees you up to focus on the things that actually grow your business, creating new products, building relationships, and thinking about the big picture. It's the ultimate productivity hack. So how does it actually work? In simple terms, these AI tools are trained on massive amounts of data from the internet. They learn patterns in language, images, and data. This isn't about replacing your own hard work, it's about supercharging it. Content is king. You've heard that a million times. To grow an online business, you need to be constantly putting out content. Blog posts for SEO, social media updates to stay relevant, email newsletters to engage your audience, video scripts to get views. The problem is, creating all this content is a full-time job in itself. It's exhausting. Writer's block is real, and it can kill your momentum. This is where AI completely changes the game for content creation. It's like having an endless source of ideas and a super fast writer on your team. For example, let's talk about your blog. A blog is crucial for bringing in traffic from Google, but writing a 1,500-word, well-researched article can take hours, if not days. With an AI writing assistant, you can generate a detailed outline in seconds. Then, you can ask the AI to write each section for you. You can tell it to use a specific tone, maybe friendly, professional, or funny. It will generate the text, which you can then edit and add your own personal touch to. What used to take a whole day now takes maybe an hour. Alright, you've got your content. Now you need to turn that content into sales. This is where marketing and sales funnels come in: awareness, interest, decision, action. And let's be honest, this can be one of the most complicated parts of running an online business. You have to write compelling emails, create persuasive ads, and guide potential customers from browsing to actually clicking that Buy Now button. It takes a lot of skill and a lot of testing. Or, you could just use AI to help you do it better and faster. AI tools are incredible for optimizing every single step of your marketing process, from grabbing attention to closing the sale. Let's start with email marketing. But writing emails that people actually open and click on is hard. AI can help you write subject lines that are almost guaranteed to get higher open rates. You can ask an AI to write a persuasive email sequence to welcome new subscribers, or to convince someone who abandoned their shopping cart to come back and finish their purchase. Just give it context about your product and audience, and it will generate copy designed to convert. Then there are chatbots. Modern AI-powered chatbots are a world apart. Running a business based on guesswork is a recipe for disaster. You need data. You need to know what's working and what's not. But for most entrepreneurs, looking at analytics can be overwhelming. You log into Google Analytics, and you're hit with a wall of charts, graphs, and jargon. Bounce rate, session duration, conversion funnels. It's confusing. You know there's valuable information in there somewhere, but you don't know how to find it. This is another area where AI is a complete game changer. AI can take all that complex data and translate it into simple, actionable insights. Imagine an AI tool that connects to your website, your social media accounts, your sales platform. Instead of you having to dig through all that data yourself, The AI does it for you. It can analyze your website traffic and tell you in plain English, your blog post about 10 ways to save money brought in the most new visitors last month. You should write more articles like that. It can say, customers who buy product A are very likely to also buy product B. You should offer them as a bundle. These are clear, simple recommendations you can act on immediately to grow your business. Excellent customer support is non-negotiable. If you want people to trust your brand and become repeat customers, you have to be there when they have a question or problem. But as a solo entrepreneur, this can be a nightmare. You get the same questions over and over again. Where is my order? What is your return policy? Do you ship to Canada? Answering emails and DMs all day wastes your time. It's draining and stops you from focusing on growth. You can't be available 24/7. So what happens at 2 a.m.? They wait, and they might get frustrated. This is where AI-powered customer support comes in, a lifesaver for busy entrepreneurs. Chatbots aren't just for sales, they're powerful for support too. Train an AI chatbot on all your business info. Feed it your FAQ page, shipping policies, product details. A customer asks in the chat window. The AI instantly answers. It can handle 80% or more of common questions automatically. That frees up an enormous amount of your time. Benefits: instant answers 24/7. No waiting for you to wake up and check email. Happier customers, fewer abandoned purchases. You only handle the complex issues. Instead of 50 simple questions a day, you might personally handle 5 difficult ones. Workload becomes manageable as you grow. Better, faster service with less work. It goes beyond just chatbots on your website. AI tools can also help you manage your support email inbox. They can automatically categorize incoming emails, tag them based on urgency, and even draft replies for you. For example, when an email comes in with the words, "Where is my order?" the AI can automatically pull up the tracking information and draft a reply that you just need to approve and send. That automation used to be for giant corporations. Now it's accessible and affordable for any online entrepreneur who wants world-class support without hiring a team. A customer service team, and an analyst. Before you know it, you have a huge monthly payroll that eats away at your profits. This pressure to cover salaries can be incredibly stressful and makes it much harder for the business to be profitable. For a lot of online entrepreneurs, the goal isn't to build a massive company with hundreds of employees. The goal is to build a profitable business that provides financial freedom without all the headaches of managing a large team. This is the ultimate promise of AI. It allows you to build a lean, mean, and incredibly profitable business. An AI writing tool can act as your content writer. An AI writing tool can act as your copywriter. An AI image generator can be your graphic designer. An AI-powered chatbot can be your 24/7 customer support team. An AI analytics tool can be your data analyst. And an AI marketing platform can act as your marketing assistant. You are effectively replacing the need for 5 or more employees with a handful of affordable software subscriptions. The cost difference is staggering. First, your profit margins are much higher. If you're making $10,000 a month and only paying a few hundred for AI tools, almost all of that is profit. Compare that to paying $5,000 a month in salaries. If you have a slow month, it's not a catastrophe. This financial stability gives you the freedom to experiment and take calculated risks to grow even further. So I want you to start thinking differently about growth. Growth doesn't have to mean hiring more people. Growth can mean becoming more efficient. It can mean automating more tasks. It means using AI to amplify your own efforts, allowing you to achieve the output of a 10-person team all by yourself. This is the future of entrepreneurship. It's about building smarter, not just bigger. So my challenge to you is this. Pick one area of your business that is taking up too much of your time. Just one. It could be social media, email, or customer service. Find an AI tool designed for that task. Most of them have free trials. Sign up and give it a try for 1 week. See what happens. I promise you, once you get a taste of this leverage, you'll never go back to doing everything the hard way again. Go for it.